Momita. Welcome to my channel Sip and Snacks. Hi, how are you all? If you're new to my channel, hi, it's me Momita. Here I share some travel vlogs and share very quick and very easy recipes. If you like the content, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So coming back to today's recipe, we are going to make paneer burger at home. It's very quick and very simple. Give it a try. So without further delay, let's begin with the recipe.
Let's start with the paneer. Here I took paneer of 100 grams and making a thin slices of it. Make the slice as per your bun size. Yeah, our paneer slice is ready. Here I took some flour, all-purpose flour, some corn flour, some red chili powder, some garam masala, some black pepper, some salt as per taste, some green chili chopped or minced, and now mix it together. Add some water, make a runny consistency. Yes, our batter is ready. Here I took some breadcrumbs. I just put the bread in a mixer and give it a grind, adding a pinch of salt. Mix it well. It will give the crispiness to our paneer. Here I took our paneer slice, dip it in the batter, cover it nicely. Now directly dip it into our breadcrumbs, cover it. It will make our paneer more crispy. Yes, our paneer is ready. Repeat it for the other. Our paneers are ready to fry. Here I have heated some oil in a pan, and once the oil gets heated, add the paneer patty to it. Keep the flame in low to medium. We don't want to burn our patties. Flip the paneer sides. Yes, one side is fried. Fry the other sides. Take it out in a plate. Our patty is ready. Let's prepare the bun. In a flat pan or tawa, add some butter or oil. Spread it evenly on the pan. We are going to simply toast our buns in it. Yeah, here I took the bun and cut it in halves, and will toast the bun in all sides. If required, add some more butters. We don't want it to turn brown, we just want it lightly coated with butter. Our buns are ready. Here I took some mayonnaise, added some tomato sauce to it. We are basically preparing the sauce for our burger. Here's some garlic minced. Give it a mix. Our creamy sauce is ready. Let's bring all together. Spread the sauce in both sides of the bun. Spread it evenly. The top side of the bun, I put some lettuce or salad leaf. The bottom, I put the paneer patty. It's looking damn crispy. And over it I put a cheese slice. You can add shredded cheese or any other cheese of your choice. I just took processed cheese and I put another patty over it. Lots of protein, guys. I put the burger top. Voila, our burger is ready. Just I put a toothpick on it to put all the things together. Our simple and quick burger is ready. It's damn delicious. Give it a try, you won't regret. And enjoy!